Well, Joe, how did the caulking job go?
Actually, it went really well, Dan. I only ended up using about half a tube.
Well, you may as well throw it away. I've never seen a method around that will allow you to use a caulking tube more than once.
Well, what happens, of course, is air gets in there and dries up the caulk that's in the nozzle, and you can't get the caulk out of the tube because you have a plug of caulk in there.
Right.
Some people have tried putting a nail in there, or even twisting on a wire nut like this, but it never fits, and the air eventually leaks out.
No, it never worked for me. That always got bumped off at some point.
You could try just taping it with some duct tape, but again, if you don't seal out every little bit of air, the caulk that's in the nozzle will harden, and you'll never be able to use it. So you do have to toss it out.
I'm sure you have a method to solve all this.
That's why I'm here. I've found a combination of techniques work really well. Take a nail, longest nail you can find. This is a 16-penny nail, and push it all the way in as far as it'll go, and then take a piece of duct tape and wrap it around there.
Okay, so you're doubling up the methods, the different methods there.
And there's a reason why you use two methods. And the other trick is after you get this little flap folded over. And that works about as well as anything I've found. Now the great thing about this is when you go to reuse it and you peel off the tape, even if a little air has gotten in there and hardened this caulk in the nozzle, you can pull out the nail, and at least you have an opening where you can get some of the caulk out.
So you still have that passageway right through the middle.
It works great.
Well, it only makes sense because some of the caulking's costing $6 or $7 a tube these days, so it really makes sense to use every bit of it.